Today on One to Mother, I'm going to do an introduction to my introduction. The reason why I'm doing an introduction to my introduction is to explain a little bit what this channel is about. On this channel, we like to do STEAM projects. And some of these STEAM projects are projects that we make up on our own, but a great deal of the time, we are actually reviewing kits or educational toys. So I think there's a lot of STEM-related educational toys out there, and I know parents are excited about this, but there's also quite a bit to navigate. So I've decided to come up with a formal system, a very formal and very official way of rating these kits, because I figure you're gonna wanna know, A, did the kids have fun? B, did the kids learn anything? What was the general quality? Then sustainability. I think it's something that is very much on a lot of parents and educators' radars. How long is this gonna last? What's the waste left over? Is it recyclable? So on a scale of 1 to 5, is it sustainable or not? And then finally, how much did it cost? Again, today we're gonna be reviewing Playz Ridiculous Inventions kit. It has 26 different experiments in it, and you're not gonna get to find out what I thought of this kit and what my girls thought of this kit till the end of the video. At the end of the video, that's when you're gonna get our official rating. So stay tuned. At the end, I'll let you know how the Playz Ridiculous Invention kits fared compared to some other things that we've tested. All right.
Hello, I'm Mila. And today we're gonna do a science project.
And I'm One Mother. So yeah, we got this kit here. It's from this company called Playz, and it's got a lot of experiments in it. Hello, starting a science experiment. You want to come? So on to our first experiment here. What are we gonna do? We're gonna make an electric current. It says what you will need.
Oh yeah.
Now, this is how we do an unboxing.
Thank you,
it's pretty fancy. Okay, whoa, easy. Okay, we're not doing this. No, guys, seriously. Okay, what do we need? One light bulb.
Yeah,
one light bulb. One rubber band.
And one plugger.
Yeah, then these pluggers, exactly. And here is our...
Assistant, what?
We also need the light bulb holder, which is this. Step 1!
Some more chocolate.
No, you did have like 80 pieces of chocolate today. No.
No, I haven't. No. I have my mom's trap.
Why did I give you chocolate when you're being naughty like this? You're not acting in good faith.
I only count the one.
But I can't, meanwhile, I cannot get this to go on there. I'm really having a hard time.
You're my assistant.
How am I supposed to be flipping this to one of the parts?
Yeah, the two of them.
Yeah, but like, how do I connect this? I mean, there's not anything to clip it to. This is dumb. This is not very good.
It's a brownie face. It is a brownie face. Special pickup.
Hitting me with this? This is like pretty hard. Okay, step 1. Connect this to both sides. It's pretty frustrating.
Ma, I see you.
Never giving you guys candy again. Bad faith negotiations. Look, I finally did it. That was not very easy to do. Does anyone care? No. Step 1. Put the thick elastic rubber band around the 1.5 volt battery and then connect each crocodile clip to the poles. That only took 45 minutes. Screw the 1.5 volt light bulb into the light bulb holder. Okay, who's gonna do that? Soleil, can you screw this in? I know you're playing with the balloon, but can you screw this in? Because we're gonna make a current.
Let will see mighty tiny.
Right, Lefty will see mighty
Can you
tight.
please blow this up and tie it?
No, tie it. No, we need this for another future experiment.
Wow.
Oh boy, don't tell me another thing that's gonna give us trouble. Are you kidding? Once again, not having an easy go of it here. Okay, I think we got this screwed in finally, kind of. I don't know if that's supposed to be touching this. It would seem like it, so that the electricity can go through there. Right? Right?
Papa?
Hey guys, I need your help over here.
Is he on?
This is perfect. Go sit there. We need your help desperately. We've tried to do 2 experiments and they failed.
I brought back equipment to further calibrate for our YouTube channel.
I'm extorted for chocolate. Look, this is a classic, okay? And we try to do it, and it's not working. And the last one that we tried to do also didn't work. And I'm mad. I'm now officially frustrated.
Hold on.
You've seen this one.
Walk me
It's a
through it.
classic.
All right, Susan.
Come back, your papa's here.
I'm doing some science projects of my own.
Let me give it a try. Yeah.
Mila, what are you doing over there? Cooking up?
I'm doing my science project.
So this is like obviously this thing is not centered right because it should be able to rotate fully. So it's like make a perfectly functioning disc. You know, Mila, you're like bumping into me with all your gesticulation.
However, on a positive note, she is coming up with this cool song called Circuit, Circuits, Power, Power.
And I want chocolate.
She's been extorting me for chocolate the whole experiment.
Chocolate.
So we're back. We're trying to give a second chance to this kit. It's by a company called Playz, and it's called Ridiculous Inventions. We had a little bit of bad luck with our first couple of experiments that we tried to do. Remember that? Well, we gave up. That's right. That's one of the things we need. The girls were really intrigued by the balloons in this kit, right? So I promised them that the next experiment that we could try out of this box would be involving balloons. We're back. Mila wanted to join us. Okay. So I prepared all the elements in advance.
You want the L's? I
cut them in advance because I wanted to try to make this as fast and as easy as possible. This is what you'll need.
No.
2 straws.
balloon. I wanna do it.
We're gonna make a balloon powered car. What does it look like the directions say?
Tape it to the man's dog.
Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so look, this is what we did. Put the straw on the balloon opening.
What?
Like a duck. And tape it on here tight. Okay, that's exactly what we need it to.
That's what this says.
Alright, before you get this all slippery.
Don't let the air out.
So what are we doing? We're taping this to right here. Okay?
Can I do
I
it?
think this needs,
Now, what are we gonna do? Glue up this and make it go?
Okay, so it says, in this experiment, you can observe the propulsion phenomenon.
What? I wanna blow it up.
Caused by the force of the air. Okay, so we got the wheels on.
Please me first.
We got the wheels on, and Mila did it one time. It was successful, but our camera stopped rolling, and we don't really know why. Can you blow that up? Oh, good. Okay, good. Do it again one more time. What's wrong? Did you get it? You did it. You did it.
Okay, your turn, Mom.
Oh.
No.
Okay, I'm
Can
gonna.
I feel slime?
Mom.
Mom, I'm taking a look and swap.
No, don't. Soleil, come back. Don't be frustrated. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready? Pull up my finger. There you go.
Yay! Say
So everybody who's been dying to know the final verdict about our Playz Ridiculous Inventions kits, we have it here for you. Overall, what did you guys think?
It was sort of not fun and sort of fun.
Sort of not fun and sort of fun. So yeah, that's pretty much just right. It was, sometimes it was fun and sometimes it wasn't that fun. So I guess on a scale of 1 to 5, we'll give it a 2.5.
What? Can we do
Let's
it
keep
now?
it simple. We won't add decimals.
Yeah.
Did you learn anything? What did we learn about?
We learned about gears, electronics, science, and math.
We learned that. I don't remember that part, but we did make a balloon car. We learned that the force of air moved the balloon car, right?
Like this.
Yeah. And that was kind of a rotten explanation, but whatever. What's the quality of this? Okay, that was the main issue. For quality, it gets like honestly like a 1. I think it gets a 1 out of 5 because that was our quality. Quality, we thought the quality was bad, right? It wasn't great. We had like 2 or 3 things that were broken in here, and so we couldn't complete even half of the experiments. Okay, number 5. Is it sustainable? No. I mean, it's like, do you know what sustainable means? Sustainable means, can you either recycle it so it doesn't turn into garbage? Or is it made so well that it's going to last for a really, really long time? Or can you reuse the pieces of it again? And here, there was several things that we can't reuse again. And we had broken pieces, so we got to kind of throw them in the garbage, and they're not that easy to recycle. So, the last thing was the price. This costs about $40. So I think it's really expensive for what it is. And Soleil is very excited to open that up. So let's do it. I'll show you some of the stuff that came in here, and you can think about whether for $40 the price is right. So there's some copper wire in here. I mean, there are these pieces.
And those no.
But okay, one thing I have to say though that was what I did like about this kit is that in the instruction manual, there's actually these like little cool sidebars. They introduce Michael Faraday, for example, or they talk about Alessandro Volta.
Mommy, I can't believe.
So there are these cool educational tidbits, which I'm going to actually revise did the kids learn something to 3? If you had an older kid who cared to read some of this information, I think they'd get a little bit more out of it. But in general, I think this kit is too expensive for what it was.
Don't say that. Don't be upset.
Well, we got to be honest though. I think we bought some other stuff that's like better.
Microphone.
What I will say, as a word of reconciliation, is that I will reach out to the manufacturers of the Playz kits and I will give them an opportunity to remedy the situation by sending me new parts. Okay, and that's all. Okay, bye.